Hi guys. Today we will reverse an array which was entered at the console, and then we'll display the original array and the reversed array. So first we need to import the Java utility scanner. Now we will create the scanner object. We will do it within the main class. So private static scanner, scanner equals new scanner with a parameter of system in. Next, we need the scanner method. So we'll write a new method outside of the main method. So private static integer array, read integers, and the parameter is the integer count, and count is the number of values within the array. So we need to create a new array. So new integer array with the parameter of count equals integer array called array. We will create a loop to read the count number of integers from the console. So for int I equals 0, I is less than array length, I plus plus. We will request and retrieve an integer from the console and then store it in the array in position I. So system out print line, enter a number, scanner next int, and then store that in array position index I. We need to always handle the enter key when we're doing a scanner entry. So scanner, next line, and now we need to return the array. So we're going to do that outside of our loop. So we have looped through the integers, and now we will return the array. Very good. Okay, next we will request the count value, and we're doing this within the main method. So system out print line, enter count. Okay, we retrieve the count entry. Scanner next int, integer count. We'll once again handle the enter key. Now we need to call the read integers method and then save the array to a returned array. So at this point we will write the method to reverse the array. So we will call this method reverse. So private static void reverse, integer array, array to reverse. Because we're performing a swap in our reverse, we create a temporary variable. So integer temp, and now we will initialize the reversed array. So array to reverse equals integer array reversed array. We will write our loop, which is performing the swap. So it's a for loop. For int I equals 0, I is less than array to reverse dot length divided by 2, because we only need to go halfway through the array until all of the values are swapped, and then I plus plus. So this is the code to actually perform the swap. So reversed array I position goes into the temp variable, and then reversed array to reverse dot length minus 1 minus I equals reversed array I. And then, okay, so we've swapped the first value, and then the temp value needs to replace the second value. So in this code, we're performing a swap, and we're replacing that second value with the temp value. Okay, now we're going to call the code to actually print the array once we've gone through our loop. So print array, reversed array. Okay, we haven't written our print method, so we will do that right now. And we've been using a similar print method. So public static void print array with the parameter of integer array to print. For int I equals 0, I is less than array to print dot length I plus plus system out print line element plus I equals, and then the element to print, the array to print with the index position. Okay, we have everything we need now, except we need to call the methods. So we're going to do that within the main method. So here we've actually called the read integers method. And next we're going to call the print array method to print the original array. So print array, returned array. And then lastly, we will call the reverse method. So reversed, returned array. We'll check to make sure we have the correct number of brackets, and we'll do a little cleanup. Okay, very good. And now we're going to run the code. Let's say we will use a 5-value array. So 5, enter a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what it's done is it's given us the original array in the correct order. Index 0 is 1 through index 4 equals 5. And then it's given us the reverse array. So index 0 starts at 5 and goes down to 1. So everything is working perfectly. Thanks a lot, guys, for listening. I really appreciate it. This was awesome. Thank you.